A charming spirit, a brave mind, and a beautiful heart. That's what truly defines who a woman is. She plays multiple roles and wears various hats through this journey, starting with a friend, mentor, wife, mother, and much more. And she juggles all this very gracefully in a seamless way. At Wedtree, Women's Day is indeed a very special occasion for us to celebrate. Right from our leadership, merchandising team, support team, and operations, we are filled with women everywhere. And not just that, most of our products are handmade by super talented women carigars who hail from self-help groups and from remote villages in India. Throughout our journey, we are so proud to have served very powerful and privileged women customers. Right from wonderful homemakers, passionate entrepreneurs, teachers, doctors, and celebrities, we have catered to different gifting needs of women for various occasions. Right from our product creators, our internal team, and our customers, we are women-driven. Women practically run Wedtree, and in fact, women run the entire world. Don't you agree? 8th of March is observed as International Women's Day, and presenting gifts to women around us makes it even more special.
Happy Women's Day.
Wedtree has a special curation of gifts for this Women's Day. Right from jewelry, organizers, clutches, self-care kit, and much more, we have products that will for sure delight women. And to make it even more special, we are running a special lucky draw contest where 1 lakh worth of vouchers to be won starting today until 8th of March. Thank you for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.